Hey everybody, it's Dean with RC Driver. Hope you're all having a great day. So for many years, the Jurassic Park series of movies have been a smash hit for Hollywood. My friend George here was so inspired. What did he do? He built himself a replica of one of the Jeeps from the first movie. George, why don't you tell us a little bit about it before we get started?
Well, this is a Jeep Wrangler Sahara YJ, the one that was used in the film originally. This has been a painstakingly long process to try to get it up to spec. There's a lot of decals and a lot of paint schematics that went into this particular craft, and if it wasn't for the online resources available today that they used in the original movies, we wouldn't be able to have this Jeep here right now.
So I was so inspired by what George did, I decided to build myself a radio control replica of his Jeep as close as possible. I started with an RC4WD Trail Finder 2 short wheelbase edition truck. This comes as a kit, so you have the fun of building it. There's a lot of metal, high quality components, but it doesn't come with electronics, so I went with the Castle Creations Mamba X speed control. This is a censored waterproof speed control, and I paired it with one of their censored slate brushless motors. I also went with a high-tech, ridiculously high torque steering servo. I put a metal servo arm on that, and a 3S New Wave battery pack, so we're gonna have lots of power, and I control it all with a KO Propo EX2 radio system. Now, we had to make it look just like George's Jeep. We took a Tamiya Jeep Wrangler body. It looks pretty awesome, fits this chassis perfectly. And my friend Chris at Off the Wall painted the beige and the red colors for me. And then I added some of the black details, and we added the lights and all that other fun stuff. This truck is gonna be one of those projects I work on for many, many years, as there are limitless ways to add to the detailing. So why don't we see some more of this truck in action? This Jeep is a whole lot of fun to drive. I was afraid to actually roll it over because this is painted on the outside, and I really want to keep it as mint as possible. But again, driving through the woods, driving through the field, being chased by dinosaurs was an absolute blast, brought a smile to everyone's face involved. I can see myself working on this Jeep for years to come to detail it more and more and make it more accurate, just like George has done here. George, anything else you want to add?
Yeah, I want to thank you for having me out here, Dean, and the people at Jurassic Park Motor Pool that I couldn't have gotten this project done without.
I also want to thank my daughter Eden, her friend Skylar, my friend Shane, Brennan, and George here for helping me make this video. They wore some of the dinosaur costumes, chased the Jeep around, and were all around helpful for us. All right, I want to thank everybody for watching this video today. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, and while you're at it, subscribe to this YouTube channel and make sure you click the notifications icon so you find out when we post new content. Like us on Facebook and Instagram, and always check out rcdriver.com.